Seow Vocabulary, Chapter 25. This is on page 286. First word, eras, cedar. You could think, eights is wood, so you could say the eights is eras, the wood is cedar. You do not need to know the next four words here, so you do not need to know bahur, behula, gai, or hog. Or I guess that's gaye and hog. Okay, so next would be moon. So this is yareach, moon. And you already know the word yera for month. So those are closely related, obviously, same root. Yareach, moon, and yera, month. Then kokav, star, or kokavim for stars, plural. So you might want to group these together to memorize sun and moon and stars. So you could say to yourself shemesh and yareach and kokavim. Just say those all together. Le'om, you don't need to know. Next is mizrach, sunrise, east. Marom, height or high place. And the verb, I think you already know, room, to be high. So those are closely related. Then nasi, prince. This is funny, about half of the uses of prince, this word here, nasi, are in numbers, and it's actually translated chief. So you won't always translate this prince when you see it. Often it's translated chief. But it is found in Genesis 17, where God says that Ishmael will be the father of 12 princes, and so that's 12 nasi'im. Then pa'am, step, occurrence. Shulchan, table. I'm not sure why, but I always love this word too, shulchan. I think when I memorized this, I did lots of knock on your table when you say it, point to your table, shulchan, because you can actually kind of use this word to make sentences. So you might say hamaim al hashulhan. The water is on the table. Or hakos, cup, hakos al hashulhan. The cup is on the table. So just use it physically when you're trying to memorize the word. Verbs. Now we have haga, to mumble or meditate. I always found this easy to remember because this is the word in Joshua 1:8 when God tells Joshua that he should haga on the law day and night. And in English, of course, that's translated meditate. But lots of times in Hebrew it means mumbling or grumbling or growling. And so I kind of got this picture in my mind that he's saying you should mumble on the law or growl over the law. So haga, to mumble. Naham, in Piel, means to comfort, but in Nifal it actually means to be sorry. So you want to memorize both of those definitions in those different verbal stems. Naham. Then salah, to forgive. And finally, arach, to arrange, lay out. That's what Abraham did with the wood when in Genesis 22, when he is getting ready to take Isaac up the mountain. He arached the wood. Okay.